It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the opening of the Hoskins Building. The Hoskins Building is a special facility, not only because of its world-class, environmentally friendly features and the message of responsible stewardship that it gives, but also because it serves to link both halves of our school.
A building can be a help or a hindrance. It can be unpleasant or a delight to be in. And as you'll soon see, I think this building achieves that. You might like to ask about its biophilic design. It's a building that physical beings are meant to love being in.
No longer should schools like ours be generalist schools with generalist all-purpose facilities. With our increasing emphasis on preparing students for the future, we believe that the ability to provide purposeful resources for purposeful teaching is vital. I hope you find yourself smiling as you walk through.